Hello everyone, this is Khushbu Turakia and welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So today in this video I'll be sharing my honest review on Colorbar's waterproof eyeliner. So let's get started. Let's unbox the product first. I recently purchased this product from the Amazon sale and I will mention its video link below. Do check it out. I love Colorbar and their products. This is the only product I have been using since decades now. Ever since I started using eyeliner, I have emptied multiple bottles of it. I simply love this product. I enjoy using it every single day. It is waterproof liquid eyeliner. It is long lasting. It is easy and safe to use. Let us look at the packaging and price of this one. Packaging is updated and comes in small rectangular box like this one. It comes with 2.5 ml of quantity and black in color. Original price is Rs 425 and I got in a great discounted deal of Rs 297 only. It is cruelty free, vegan, mineral oil free, dermatologically and ophthalmologically tested. It is even formulated in Argentina. For ingredients and other details, please check out their website. Now let's try to open and see the product in more detail. So the product comes in plastic bottle and looks like this. It is easy to carry in your everyday makeup bag and it's travel friendly as well. It comes with a high-definition flexible felt tip applicator. So with the help of this applicator, one stroke is enough to define your eyes through thick and thin, like so. It dries off pretty quick, like within seconds. The quick drying waterproof formula remains flawlessly intense without smudging, flaking or cracking. Okay, so now I sprinkle few drops of water just to show you that it really is waterproof. The only way you can remove this product is by using any gentle makeup remover. Just pour few drops onto cotton pads, pressed gently for few seconds and swipe it off. See, it comes off easily without rubbing it. Just hold on for few seconds before removing it off. Benefit of using this product is that waterproof eyeliner delivers intense color without flaking or smudging. It's suitable for those with sensitive eyes and contact lenses. I have already applied it on my eyes and this is how it looks. I have drawn a thin line along the upper lash line from the inner corner to the outermost corner of the eyelid. Please shake the bottle well before using. Start from the inner corner of the eye, move to the outer corner, draw a line as fine or thick as you want it to be. Your eyes are beautiful blank slate and precision is your pen. At the outermost corner, draw a soft flick upwards. So it gives this matte finish look. It is easy to apply and it's not necessary to close your eyes actually while applying. Even if you do so and while you'll open your eyes, you will notice that it will not at all spread on your upper part of your eyes. It has this super quick dry formula. You can style in as many ways as you like. Try to create a variety of aesthetic effects and let me know what's your favorite look by using this product. I hope this video was helpful to you and you equally enjoyed watching it. Let me know on your experience of using this product in the comment section below. I will see you next time. Till then, bye. Take care and be safe. Peace.